Now, if you see, India's agriculture export has increased. If I see from the, you can say the month April to December 2024, तो अगर आप देखोगे our agriculture export, so I'm talking about only agriculture. So agriculture export of India has increased. That is, you can say 37.5 billion dollar export we have, clear, in the last, you can say, in the last financial year, or you can say more precisely, not complete financial year, that is from April 2024 till December 2024. So this is the amount of export that India has, clear. So 37.5 billion dollar. Okay, but if you see, India's import has also increased. Okay, so import, agriculture import, so only I'm talking about agriculture import. So our import has also increased, and if you see in terms of value, it is $29.3 billion. So this is our import. Okay, now UPSC will never ask you these numbers, but why I started with this number? So you must also know this thing, that earlier India used to be a net exporter of cotton, clear. So cotton is a part of your agricultural products only. So earlier, so please listen the statement carefully. Earlier India was the net exporter of the cotton. But if you search right now on Google, और इफ़ यू आर रीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर, जो आइडियली आपको पढ़ना चाहिए, अगर नहीं पढ़ रहे तो प्लीज़ पढ़ लो आप न्यूज़पेपर, इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर प्रिपरेशन, सो डोंट नेग्लेक्ट न्यूज़पेपर. So if you are reading newspaper, so there was one news that right now India is the net importer of cotton. तो अगर कल को यूपीएससी प्रीलिम्स में स्टेटमेंट आ जाए कि इंडिया इज द नेट इंपोर्टर ऑफ कॉटन, so I am 101% sure majority student will mark it, you can say, wrong. They'll say no, India is not a net importer, India is a net exporter. But if you see right now, India is a net importer of cotton, and this statement is correct, clear. So you can check Google also, you can check any other source also, so you will find that right now India is the net importer of cotton.